So the trade of the day and the market of the day is the E-mini NASDAQ gap continuation. You see the strategy plus 1200 on the day. We used a custom session to cut off the first 30 minutes and last 30 minutes. And this is already exited at 2:30 Central Time, plus 1200 on the day. Only trade in the 25K portfolio. So let's take a look at the other trades as well. E-mini NASDAQ has been one of the top strategies. So no trades in Cobra 3, adaptive moving average. Market's just kind of in this slow-paced stealth rally mode, so it can signal some short trades in a strategy like adaptive moving average. This strategy is down 925 on the day. Adaptive moving average. Tick count trend 2, V2. We haven't seen this one trade in a while because VIX has been above 30. This won't trade if VIX is above 30, so now that VIX is below 30. You see 4 nice winners here on tick count trend 2. 1 minute plus 437.50. Gap continuation 2020. And we just talked about that in the 25K portfolio. Same trade plus 1200 in the All Strategy XS1 workspace. So just kind of a slow-paced market as the VIX continues to drop. Currently at 27. And let's look at All Strategy XS2. This is what I mean by an E-mini NASDAQ type market. You have QS3. Catch the open bid for plus 875. You have Asia 4 E-mini S&P losing minus 1,025. And then the breakout strategy that we're not trading in the portfolios did make 975 on this trade. So that NASDAQ is the market to trade today, or has been. And those are the strategies that have captured it. All Strategy XS3, Cobra Euro 4 minus 243.75. Gold Flash 2020 plus 675. One trade here on this mean reversion, capturing that flash move down. And then you have Asia Gold 4 plus or minus 525. Only 3 trades in this workspace. All Strategy XS4. There's Cobra Gold minus 625 and All Strategy XS5, no trade. So market has slowed down quite a bit. The volatility has slowed down quite a bit. And the biggest fundamental factor in this market continues to be the Fed. You know, the market just continues to drift higher in a slow-paced fashion, which is typical of Federal Reserve supported bull markets. And so it can be very hard to short this type of market, intraday especially. And you see some, if you try to short it, the market reverses on you. Doesn't necessarily go straight up because you can see some times when it's down with the dynamics of the price action on the way down. Makes it difficult to short. But, we may get some more opportunities here. In the short term, we've kind of hit this level right here. Market seems to have been exhausted, so I don't know how much the market will pull back before it is supported again and driven higher. I'm just skeptical. I can see anything happening at this point. The market can make new highs. It could take out these lows. But I'm skeptical because some of the first Fed stimulus did not work out. Back in March, we had the Fed cutting interest rates and providing additional liquidity, and the market, the market did not take that new. It was a short move higher, and then the market continued to go down. And then down here, the Fed unleashed a lot of stimulus, more than it's ever unleashed, and we've bounced. On this longer term chart, this kind of looks weak. They talk about how huge move off the lows percentage wise, but compared to this kind of looks weak. Once again, a weak market can continue to just go up slowly and make new highs. But I'm not sold on. I'm speaking of long-term investing. I'm not sold on buying the market here. So we as traders, we focus on short-term trades, and this just validates to me the opportunity that we have in the short term to trade both sides of the market. And today, it's the long side is what's working best. And I think we will have some opportunities to make money on the short side. It's been tough lately. The market has just been floating higher recently. But that is my analysis of the market and the trades for the day on May the 11th.